Welcome عنيزة private school students. Hello my students. With you MS Marwa Bakry. أهلا بطالبات وطالبات مدارس عنيزة الأهلية. Welcome again with a new English lesson. Today we'll study Unit 4, Lesson 1. Now my students with conversation time. Please my students listen carefully to this conversation.
Hello, may I speak to Ahmed, please? He's not in right now. What time will he be back? I'm sorry, I don't know. Can you take a message? Sure. Who's calling? This is Salwa Kamel. I'm going to be late for lunch today. I'll see him at 1 o'clock. Got it. What's your number? 023-555-1839. Okay, I'll give him your message. Thanks.
Now my students with some language notes. Please pay attention. At the first, my students, we use preposition at before time. Like this example, he will be back at 7 o'clock. Here we use at, preposition at before time, 7 o'clock. He will be back at 7 o'clock. Example number 2, may I speak to Noha? May I speak to Noha? Here my students will use preposition to after verb speak. Speak to means in Arabic يتحدث إلى. May I speak to Noha? We use preposition to after verb speak. Example number 3, she will be late for dinner. Here also we use preposition for after late. Okay? She will be late for dinner. Late for يتأخر عن. Here we use for after late. Here my students also we use preposition in this example. Okay, in here is a preposition. The kite is in the cupboard. The kite here is in the cupboard. Here my students we use preposition in, okay, before places. Okay, preposition in here is preposition. Okay, in here is a preposition, but in the second example, my father is not in. My father is not in. In here is adverb. Okay, means in Arabic بالداخل. My father is not in. In here, my students, is adverb. If we write in at the end of the sentence, this means that in is adverb. Okay, but if we use after in any place, this means that in here is a preposition. If I want to ask about time, we can ask about time with question word, what time? What time will he be back? What time will he be back? And also we can use question word when to ask about time. When will he be back? This means that to ask about time, we can use question word, what time, or question word when to ask about time. To make polite request, we can use may I to make polite request. For example, may I speak to Ahmed, please? Okay, and the answer will be he is not in right now, or sure, hold on. We use here may I to make polite request. Thanks my students for your watching, and goodbye.